in traditional finance, right? We've seen major collapses happen. So I think this is part of the growth cycle. I think we'll still feel some more pain, but I think it's all net positive.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content. So said, so done. Tonic is looking very bullish as well. Back with another banger of a Tonic video for you guys. In this video, I have some very interesting information from the global elites at Davos. If you guys know about the World Economic Forum, you don't know about it, we're gonna check out some clips from a video that I found going through the panels at the WEF that recently happened at Davos a few days ago, right? And we're gonna break down how Tonic fits into all of this and how DeFi crypto will be the future of financial economic institutions, and how Tonic will have a huge market share and take its place in one of the top DeFi projects in the space, right? The global wealthiest elite will love Tonic. I keep saying that, and you know, they'll utilize Tonic and its innovative DeFi solutions for their future projects, whatever they have for banking, whatever type of banking needs that they, you know, they plan to use, right? So we're gonna break that down, and we're gonna go through any more recent news updates on Tonic in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are at 1,800 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. Supporting these videos and other content creators, get Tonic out there to as many people as possible so they could join the community, become a part of the Tonic community, and this will help the project to grow. Also support my Tonic playlists and my Tonic shorts as well. Now let's just break down what's going on with Tonic today, because I'm seeing some green, okay? I am seeing some green in Tonic and I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy too. We are up 6.6% on the 24-hour for Tonic. $26 million in market cap, 285k in 24-hour trade volume. Someone said they're waiting for Tonic to come to retrace lower. We'll see what happens, because if this is the start of the bull run, there won't be any retraces lower. I don't know if we'll see 10 million again if this is the start of the bull run, guys. So let's see what happens. Let's see what takes place. But I don't know if we're gonna come back down here. I don't know, man. I really don't know, but we'll see, right? Because nothing in crypto is guaranteed. Sometimes you expect one thing, then the next happens. But I'm just happy to see this bullish trend that's happening for the past month on Tonic. We made our move to the upside, and now we're just continuing up. And in the one-day chart, you can see we're just continuing up further, guys. That is super bullish. That is very, very bullish. Tonic, stop selling from the truth. From Crypto Cowboy Tonic, and there it is, just as predicted. Hang on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. It's just getting warmed up. Keep watching. From Johnny L, big day for Tectonic today. Volume going up big time. New wallets coming in. Hodl. Truer words have never been spoken. From EQG, Tonic making its presence known. Right hand of God. Let's go, Tonic. Show them all you are a real king of crypto. The DeFi space is gonna get taken by a storm, and the storm, or the tectonic shift, is Tonic, right? It is absolutely gonna rule the DeFi space. One of the, you know, like I said, very interesting DeFi projects in the space. So I don't see why people won't find it, you know, very appealing to use the DeFi aspects of Tonic. And who knows what the team has planned for the future as well. Future partnerships, future listings. I bet there's a lot more to come. And we just have to wait and see, right? We just have to wait and see. But so far, so good, man. 10 million a thing of the past, 10 million market cap a thing of the past. We'll see, guys. We'll see. We are almost at 30 million. So it'd be great we get to 30 million, and then our 30,000 people on the watch list can match that $30 million in market cap. And I also said this in my previous videos. Let's take a look right here. We have a little glimpse of the stock market and the S&P 500. I said this in my previous videos. Today is Monday now. I was saying this Saturday and Sunday when I made my videos on those days, right? Saturday, Sunday. Today's Monday. Today's the market open. We're seeing a bullish market open, up 1.4% on the S&P 500. And, you know, the rest of the stock market, this in turn correlates to crypto. Tonic is waking up as well. We're seeing green in Tonic at the market open. And I really do think we'll have more bullish days as the week unfolds. And now we're going to dive into some clips from the World Economic Forum themselves right here, and how they discuss the great crypto reset. Remember, guys, these are not elected officials. I got my tinfoil hat on right now, okay? You can see Coin Bureau right here in the suggested videos. These are not elected officials. These are the people that are still calling the shots, however, right? They're the ones that saying, oh, the world is gonna do this, the world is gonna do that, this is what's gonna happen, right? And everything they say is clearly happening. Everything they speak about on their panels, every time there's a summit, a Davos summit, it happens, right? So clearly there's some strings being pulled. And in this video they speak about how crypto is gonna revolutionize the world as we know it. This is the future, right? Crypto is the future and DeFi is the future, and a project like Tonic will carve its way out and take up a huge amount of market share whenever this transition takes place. Also, shout outs to Chef Benny in the comments section. My bad for mispronouncing your name, but he was saying, oh, I'm telling everyone about crypto. They should get into projects like Tonic. They should get into Crow. They're not listening to him, right? The wealthiest people in the world, or the people that are pulling a lot of the strings. I don't think we could disagree on that. You know, I know a lot of people aren't tinfoil hat wearers like myself, but the people that are pulling the strings are saying there's gonna be a great crypto reset. Even they themselves see crypto taking over, right? So if you're like Chef Benny and people aren't listening to you, they're not, you know, they don't want financial freedom. They're not gonna get it. You right now here in the bear market, we're going into the bull market. You're looking to change your life forever. All you have to do is just be patient, diamond hand, accumulate DCA, and you're gonna be on point. You're gonna be a star in the future, and you're gonna thank, you know, your future self will thank you.
Right, we observed this in the dot-com boom. We saw fraud. We've seen fraud even in traditional finance, right? We've seen major collapses happen. So I think this is part of the growth cycle. I think we'll still feel some more pain, but I think it's all net positive.
It seems positive from the enterprises meta, but
so just right there, one of the speakers is saying we've seen it in the dot-com bubble where we have this huge bear market, but it's a net positive overall.
Just the macro environment, of course, has changed dramatically, not just in the crypto space. I'm talking macroeconomy, fears of recessions, interest rates on the rise. Are businesses not yet cutting back? Because we've seen, for example, with companies like Amazon and Microsoft, businesses cutting back on cloud spend. So they're still willing to invest in...
They are still willing to invest in blockchain because I believe that they can reduce overhead, streamline operations, and reduce compliance costs.
They're still willing to invest in blockchain. They're still willing to invest in DeFi, because it's such a way for them to save money. It's all about the dollar bill, guys. It's all about that money at the end of the day, right? The rich get richer. Which side are you gonna pick? Are you gonna be on the side of the poor get poorer, or the rich get richer? I know which side I'm picking, guys.
And I think that they are looking to cut expense out of their budgets, right? And blockchain is a great tool for doing that.
Fascinating. And Michael, from your point of view, you know, we've been speaking a lot about the collapses of exchanges. Are the miners next? Are there any stress points?
You saw interest rates going up, a lot of asset classes.
Speaking about the interest rates, guys, how they were rising, how they affected the broader markets, guys. Keep an eye out. Do your research. I'm telling you guys, investing in great projects, great digital assets like a Crow, like a Tonic will pay off so much for you in the future.
Is like going down, and we saw that from all of tech, we saw that with crypto, and we basically saw that following each other very nicely. In the fall with FTX, it was $10 billion. So if you look at this from like purely don't take the drama, don't take the memes point of view, then you would look at it and say like, hey, something happened, interest rates and so on, and now it's a shockwave ringing out. So
we really just flushed out a lot of the bad actors in this previous bear market. And I think it happened in the bear markets before that as well, where all of the bad actors like the BitConnects gets flushed out, then the market gets healthy, and then we could continue up further, right? You get rid of all the, you know, the scams, the huge scams, the over leverage, you know, bad actors. You reset the market, get it cleaned up, and then we could continue up with the great projects. This is why there's a saying like, oh, if this project could survive the bear market or not, right? Guess what project survived the bear market? Let me reduce this just to show you. Guess what project looking like it survived the bear market and now is on its way to the top? Tectonic, guys. I'm telling you.
So basically we saw FTX as being a smaller thing from impact to the industry that way, and basically see that like there might be other things, but they're probably even smaller than that. So I would say I'm quite optimistic when it comes to what happens in the space and the drama. Can never say drama is over. Yeah. It's crypto, but yeah, I would say. So
do you think, of course, in lockstep with a rally in risk assets like the Nasdaq and some of these US stock indices? So,
and I would say I think you'll probably see those things follow each other again, like as they basically have done the entire last year. So let's say interest rates start to go up even further.
Listen to the Davos elites, guys. The stock market, the crypto market follow each other, literally. Straight out of one of the horse's mouth. I don't have the panel. If you guys want me to give you guys the names of each individual on the panel, so if you want to watch the video, let me know in the comment section. You know, I could let you, I probably could pin it in top comment or the description for you guys to check out the full video. But right here, guys, you could clearly see the breakdown and what literally the World Economic Forum, Davos, the people that are pulling the strings. I don't know if you guys seen any of the clips about, you know, the you will own nothing and be happy, you know, the climate change, climate crisis, all of these things that they plan to tackle in the future. They're you know, they're still thinking the great crypto reset will happen, right? Crypto is not going anywhere, and projects that survive the bear market will perform super well going into the next bull cycle, especially low cap gems, right? Especially low cap gems like Tectonic, up 7.2% now, right? And this is what I'm telling you. The S&P 500 making its way to the upside as well, and then the rest of the stock market follows. Guys, keep an eye out. I hope you were diamond handing, or even if you are getting into the project, this is your first time getting into the project. DCA, man, DCA. We stay going up, buying now while you can. From Honest LA, that is a fact. From Emmy Crow, good day everyone in the Crow fam. It's looking green for Tonic today, guys. And from Stress Free World, Tonic, guys and gals, honestly, Tonic continues on the upwards trend and soon will establish a new all-time high. Get in while it's still cheap. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.